All right, we're playing with 450s today. We got a TRX 450R locked up solid. Tony got a couple of 450s. One of them runs. This one's locked up solid. He got another motor. Common denominator, hot rods, cranks. You know, when All Balls bought them out many, many years ago, I didn't really think much of it. I kind of knew All Balls was a crap company anyways. You get them because you can afford them and you need it and it's easy access. If you want better stuff, you get factory stuff where you find higher quality bearings. All Balls are not high quality. So being that they're not really high quality parts, when they bought out hot rods, yeah, we kind of knew what was going on. Hot rods quality had been falling down since the 80s anyways, so it's 2024 nowadays. These 450s are so tedious and crazy, it's not even funny. So we're going a long way trying to figure out what's going on with this thing and why it's locked up. Pulled the clutch cover off, see if anything fell apart on the clutch side. It all came out really nice. Granted, the pivot bolt was locked in place, but that's a different story. Turned around, pulled the stator cover off. Behind that, looked all good too. Get you some close-ups, some high speeds, pulling these things all apart. You guys get some good views on things. But yeah, since hot rods isn't really high quality anymore, I've just been running across a lot of hot rods blown out cranks. We're talking 400s, 250s, 450s. Really doesn't matter. It's if you get a hot rod crank, chances are it's going to break. Seems like either the oil passages are getting plugged, they're not drilled right, they're not machined right, they're not cleaned. God only knows what's going on, but oil flow is getting restricted. Either the bottom or the top end pin is losing oil and they're locking up. When these things lock up, it can be catastrophic, other times not so much. This 450 in particular had no catastrophic damage. If you saw the 400EX video that just got posted a little bit ago, that was catastrophic failure. It shattered the cases, spit the rod out, broke the bottom end of the rod. Nasty, nasty, shattered the piston, all kinds of pieces, parts throughout that motor. This one, on the other hand, they got lucky. Yes, the rod locked up. And hey, imagine, when you get towards the end of the video, you'll see hot rods on the crank. Not too happy, not too impressed, but it is what it is. It's not like we're going to change the company any. They're going to keep doing what they're doing. They've been doing it for decades. Say something about it, they know what they're doing, so there's no point in even trying to say anything about it. You guys haven't subscribed to the channel, we got all kinds of stuff on this channel. We got ride videos, race videos, build videos, custom stuff, all kinds of neat stuff. If you've made it this far, really appreciate the support. We got a little bit left to go in the video. You get to the end of it, really appreciate the watch time, really appreciate the views and the support this channel's been getting. It's really cool to get. Try and do things that if you got questions about, you can watch. If you've got questions about anything, you can send me a message, put a message down in the comments. I'll try and make a video or just flat out answer the question. Either way, try and do my best to get to you guys, give you guys some good content. I'm the editor and everything. I do the music and everything behind these videos, so it's just me. There's no professional anything. And there you go, hot rods. Yay, locked up solid. And we've got the 3 450 motors sitting up on the shelf. There's one locked up, and the other one locked up on the ground. Have a great day, everybody.